Hi, I am Ashish and this is CS50's Artificial Intelligence Project Zero Tic Tac Toe. So, Project Zero is based on searching algorithm that how AI will path search to win the game, and Tic Tac Toe is one of the famous game that we have played in our childhood. So let's get started. Let's see the logic. So the AI will maximize its score based on our move. So basically it will find some path through which he can win. So let me start the game and basically while playing game I will make you understand what actually happened. So there are two players X and O. Player X will play first. This program is made such that player X will play first. So let me play first. So this first now and he moved. So let him stop me. Okay. So I'm choosing this move and he stopped me. So we are intelligent enough to stop him also. So let me stop him and I basically choose this move and let me play this game. Okay. So the game was tied. Let me play again. So let me move. Oh, this tie again. This time I will let him win such that you will be able to understand how intelligent he is to win himself and stop us. So he should move here to win. So I'm letting him win. So I'm choosing here. So he wins. Now let computers play first. So he played and whoops, I got trapped and basically he can move anywhere and he will move. So this is how it is being implemented and I used alpha beta pruning for this and thanks for watching.